This area, this will be a huge economic shot in the arm.
It's fabulous. And that's the sort of thing that, there were two levels, and that's, I guess, what I was saying to your colleague, that, we really focused on that and making sure that our business plan incorporated that. So that, you know, is the kind of public service, and that I think is in the spirit of the Compassionate Care Act.
And as I think somebody said, 20 to 60 jobs here in Chestertown would be like 100 jobs in Glens Falls or someplace else. I mean, it's that significant for this area.
Yeah, yeah, no, it really is, and I hope it gives some incentive to the next generation to continue to, this is a beautiful area. It has a lot of, you know, history to it, and it is ignored. And, I think that it's close enough to Albany and Saratoga that somebody who's young can have something, entertaining to do. But it's beautiful and peaceful, and I hope this just grows and grows and grows, and more people are able to share in it.
And why did you choose this old horse stable in Chestertown as your growing operation?
Because this is the place that wanted us. This community is one that embraced this whole effort. We have unanimous town board approval, county supervisor approval, and it's one where there are so many people working to get this up. The whole community really has embraced this, and you want to go where you're wanted. And that was really primarily why we chose this. It was an outpouring of support. It also is an area specifically created for industrial practice. So it met the regulation, and it's one that we can expand to meet demand as we need. Yeah.
And you figure about 20 jobs to start, maybe up to as many as 60 jobs. And what type of jobs will they be? Good paying jobs?
Yeah, a whole range of jobs. So you'll have some of the more labor-intensive work, which will be a lower paying but union wage. And then it ranges up to, in our dispensaries, you have PharmDs. So anything in between, chemists, nursery experts, anything. I mean, you name it actually applies to this. Nurses can help as well with patient consult. So there's a whole range, so there's a host for the community. This we expect probably about 10 people, and then 10 people statewide at our dispensaries.
And as we head into January, you're going to look to hire more. A lot of the hiring will be done after the new year?
I expect it that way because we're trying to keep it as lean and small as possible until we have an estimate of the market. It will definitely expand. We definitely expect to hire more, but we're not going to jump the gun before we know what to expect.
And for Warren County, this is going to be a huge economic shot in the arm. I mean, 20 to 60 jobs here in this area is a big deal.
I hope so. And we are really proud to offer that and to be a community partner.
And your dispensaries are downstate, but why put your growing operation here in the Adirondacks, here in Chestertown?
This is going to be a facility that employs the most people. Sorry. And this is a region that really needs jobs. We've had a presence here through our other family businesses for years, and we know these people. These are people we really want to help. And so whether we're helping with jobs and economic rehabilitation or with medical marijuana, that was our goal.
And you're hiring about 20 to begin, but maybe as many as 60 once the operation's up to full speed?
This facility could become absolutely gigantic. 60 sounds about right. With these 4 greenhouses, my ideal is to have 3 people per greenhouse plus 2 per room indoors, and that'll be when we're full bore trying to produce, hundreds of pounds a week. But we'll see.
And that many jobs for this area, not to mention the tax revenue coming in from the sale of the medical marijuana.
It should be huge. We're really hoping it helps everybody. I'm very excited, and we're trying to get locals to become involved. Even through things like this open house, we had an open invitation to local members of the community to come see, come be a part. We want that to be our message, that we're here for real, and we're here with you.